So hello guys, now today we are going to apply the screen protector for our GoPro. So let's get started. Let's see what all things we get here. Oh, nice. So we have the microfiber cloth, we have the wipes, wet wipes, then we have dust absorber, and then what is this? I think it's for the lens. Yep. And this will be for the front screen, and then the big one, which is basically the back. Now I need to see what is there. Is it a kind of same thing? Oh yeah, so they provided one extra just in case you want to change. So I definitely feel we'll be losing this off in the later part because I'll be keeping it very safe, and then we'll never be able to find it again. So that's usually happens with me. So okay, let's clean this. So lens is most important part here, because any kind of dust or small particle can hinder our video quality. So we have to be very sure about the dust and everything. I was confused whether I'm doing it on the 10 or the 11. It's fine. I'll just use these stickers to remove any dust. Keep it here. So it says step 1, remove this mask film attached. So I think it's just one here, and just need to carefully align. Got little turn, but I think it's still fine. Yeah, I think it's done already. And we have it slightly tilted here. I see it, but there are no air bubbles anywhere. And we actually have some space to move around here. I can show it to you here. So yep, not a perfect one, but will do. So let's move to the front screen. It's all greasy because of my fingers have a lot of oil in them. Let's try to use this. Get rid of all the I just see some marks over here. Hope those are not scratches. Maybe due to the dust and everything which we usually get, right? That's the reason I actually wanted to put a tempered glass as soon as I can. It's fine if it is there, something like that, but because the roads what I take is generally too bad. this is not at all coming. Yeah, should I have to do it manually then? Yeah. Here we are. So attach it from this side, let it go. Yeah, I think this was clean. And now time for the big screen. So just use the cloth I had before or some more, basically, to remove this. Okay, the most important thing I missed is the wipes. I should have used it on the front and I forgot. Sometimes you all try and miss some things. It's fine. You still clean the lens. It was already clean. I didn't have to do it much because the last screen protector that I had already taken care of it. So yeah, we missed that in the front. That alcohol wipes would have done a little better job. But yeah, they have given one for free, so see a lot of dirt on this side. So this time let's use the guide sticker that we have got here. Never able to use all this. Oh, just removing the thing this side then. No. Should be fine. So the thing is, you have to use for both up and down so that it's aligned properly. But we'll have trouble removing this now. It's not good, that's why I don't use, but let's remove it all together. Just get rid of the new dust particle that I just created. So lessons learned, you don't need it. Guide stickers. Let's got some air bubbles here, but won't have any issues. We can just remove them. Now these air bubbles can also come in when the device gets overheated, or it looks like a person's leg. So we try to remove, but it's not going, so I think it's fine. It's not on the primary screen also, it's on the side. So yep, here we are with our new screen protector, lens protector for the GoPro Hero 11, and should be good to go on road now, especially the Panathur road. Let's see if I can remove any of these dust. Yep, thanks for watching.